In today's show, I'm going to give you a special tea that can help you a lot, especially if you have any kind of problems with high blood pressure. At the end of the show, I'm going to give you a recipe, but through the whole show, I'm going to give you a much more information about this perfect plant. The plant is called Yarrow of Achillea millefolium, a flower from the sunflower family. It's a perennial plant from Arteries family. It is most famous species of genus Achillea due to its various therapeutic applications in the folk and conventional medicine. The plant Achillea millefolium originates from temperate regions of northern hemisphere, including North America, Europe and Asia. It has fern leaves and colorful flowers in red, pink, yellow and white. It has long history in the wound healing. This is a plant that many of you never heard about it. This is also the plant that I was describing in my book. It's had many health benefits. When you think about this yarrow, it often used to make bitter beverages. It helps you with colds and the flu, even relieving menstrual problems and circulatory issues. Yarrow, closely related to chamomile and chrysanthemum, has been used for cultures all around the world since the ancient times. It was traditionally consumed as a tea to reduce inflammation, especially in the digestive tract, but also to relieve anxiety and insomnia. It was also applied to the skin to aid wound healing. Several centuries ago, it was a very popular vegetable. In the 17th century, the leaves were prepared and consumed like spinach. The Latin name of Achillea genus comes from the ancient Greek mythology hero Achilles, who used it to heal wounds and stop bleeding in soldiers. Outlaws also known the plant medical use, so in folklore, yarrow is known as outlaw grass. The species name millefolium means thousand leaves, derived from the Latin words mile thousand and the folium leaves. Usually this plant had many other health benefits that I won't tell you right now, and has many key constituents and many other components that can help you a lot in natural ways. Usually in the centuries so long ago, yarrow is using for this wound healing that has had many other health benefits. When you think about yarrow, it's astringent, phytotonic, antispasmodic, mild diuretic and urinary antiseptic. Increases sweating, reduce high blood pressure, and reduce high temperature. Yarrow has been used for centuries for natural wound healing. According to the studies, it has anti-inflammatory properties that positively affect the skin pH and moisture content. Additionally, it is natural antiseptic, so it can be prevent for the wound infections. For this reason, many medicinal ointments, including yarrow, are clean ingredients. It is also known for its ability to stop bleeding. It can be sprinkled around the wound in powdered form to stop bleeding and reduce pain. It is great for help with hemorrhoids, rashes, skin redness, and many other menstrual problems. Usually you will not believe it. If you take yarrow on a regular basis, it has very good anti-stress properties. It can help you if you have anxiety, if you have depressions. That is also very well known and very well researched. Our immune system treating colds, flu or viral infection, especially in combination with adult flower. Therefore, I would recommend if you have any upper respiratory tract problems, regularly drink yarrow and add the flower tea. Mastitis is the breast infection experienced by women during breastfeeding. Studies shown that yarrow can be helpful in this case as well. Make the compresses from the yellow tea and apply them to the infected breast, repeating the process several times. But for today's show, it's very important to know that yarrow has many health benefits, especially for your heart and the blood vessels. Right now, we know that it's one of the greatest plants that can help you normalize your high blood pressure with any kind of side effects. Right now, the high blood pressure is one of the most common killers all around the world, because high blood pressure comes first. After high blood pressure, usually you will get stroke or the heart attack, that are two of the most common killer all around the world. But if you take Yarrow, you can help them itself. Also, we can take this special tea, or you can buy dietary supplements based on Yarrow in health food stores. And I would recommend Yarrow and Peppermint tea. Boil 250 milliliters of water and 1 tablespoon of Yarrow and 1 tablespoon of peppermint tea. Let it steep for 7 to 8 minutes in the covered container. Strain the tea and add a little bit of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink 2 to 3 times a day. A Yarrow can have bitter taste, so feel free to sweeten it with little honey. Unbelievable health benefits have combined Yarrow and peppermint. Of course, lemon, and you add a little bit of honey, and this is going to be perfect tea. Usually, I would recommend it for many other health benefits, but for today's show, it is going to be unbelievably good if you want to contain or maintain normal blood pressure in natural way.